Hello everyone. In this video we are connecting a Telegram bot to Totum because often people start hiring Python programmers or PHP developers to do this for them. And then they find out that they can simply connect to the bot from Totum. And the bot can directly send data to Totum, which can be a bit disappointing. So, what do we do? First, we go to Telegram and search for bot father. We tell it to create a new bot. That is, we need to create our new bot. If you already have one, you can skip the following steps. I am creating a bot. We need to name it. Let's call it Totum Test Bot and repeat its username Totum Test Bot. The username must end with _bot. Okay, and we received this token. This is the unique number of our bot, and it needs to be saved as we will use it to connect. Now let's try to call it from Totum. I did a bit of preparation here, a simple table with a button, and I insert the code into the button, which I took from the description of this video. What does it do? We call the function getFromScript, address the Telegram API, passing the token like this, /bot, then the token, then / and the command getMe, which shows information about this bot. And the response is returned in application JSON format. We decode it and display the data in JSON format in Totum. Let me take our token. Okay. I insert it here. Save, and let's see what happens. Here's the response from Telegram. It always has an OK section, true or false, and if false, it means there are errors, and the error will be described here. And here is the result. Totum Test Bot, username. It says it's a bot. In general, the bot responds. Now we need to create a channel for receiving information from the bot and tell the bot about this channel. We go to System Tables, look for API. Here I have a remote from another example. We add a remote named Telegram bot incoming hash. You can name it anything, but it's named like this in this example. I recommend replacing this hash with a random sequence of letters or numbers. We can choose any remote user we like to execute this code. In the code, we write this code, but I named the table differently. It is named TMTB incoming bot, and there is a field incoming message. I created this table and field in advance. Okay, save. So, when a request comes to this address, it will create a row in this table with the bot. Here it is, our incoming bot. Here we will create a row. This field is of type data. Now we need to tell the bot about this address. We edit this button, insert from the description, and only leave the token here. So we take the old token, OK, and place it here. Put it at the bottom because we will need to change the commands and see what happens here. We address the same Telegram API. The only difference is the command, set webhook, and we pass two parameters, post1 and post2. The first parameter should be called URL and it should contain the URL of your remote. The second contains secret token. And this secret token, here I have golden brown, is any set of letters and numbers, and underscores and hyphens are also possible, which the bot will pass in the message headers when it calls your remote. Next, what does the remote address look like? It looks like this. HTTPS, host. Here replace the host with your host. Mine is demo. Totum. Online. Then, remote with a capital letter, and here the name of your remote. Save. Execute, and it says the webhook is set. We can check the webhook. I copied the command recorded earlier from here. The command is getWebhookInfo. OK. Let's see. And here is the result. I have this address set as a webhook. It will handle 40 connections simultaneously. If this host is unavailable, it will retry several times. Now we look for our bot in Telegram. We tell it to start, and we see that a request has come from the Telegram bot. And here we see the incoming message. That means it came to the remote and recorded in this table. We see chat parameters, sender parameters, my username, and the chat ID, which is now set between my Telegram account and the bot. To send a message back to me, we need this ID. Let's try to send a message. We modify this button in the same way. The command here is send message. In the post, we need to place the chat ID. Let's check it again. It's here, chat ID. You can get this information in any way. I do it manually just for demonstration. So, I set the ID and in the text, the message text is sent. I have some great text here. Okay, testing. Here we see the message ID and the sent text. Okay, and in Telegram, we see that the bot sent us some great text. We can reply with super, enter, and get this message here. And we can process it here. Here is my message, super. From this point, everything can be used. The only additional point I wanted to show, which is a bit non-obvious, is checking the secret phrase that comes with this message. If we want to verify in the remote that the Telegram API sent us this message, we need to modify this code like this. Here we check in the if that the headers contain this token. It's passed as a list, so we need to take the first element. Note that because it contains hyphens, the phrase must be in quotes. We check that the secret phrase in the header matches our secret phrase, and then execute it like this. Save, test, open Telegram, send the message test to. Look, and here it is. That's all for this video. Enjoy using it and have great bots. Bye bye.